Hi, I'm David Simpson, Managing Director of Summit Homes Group. My family started the business in the 60s. We've seen fantastic growth since then. We're in the strongest position we've ever been in.
I can still remember coming in and just feeling really welcomed and like, you know, this is a place I want to be. I want to stay here for a long time, and I've been lucky enough to be able to do that.
So my first week at Summit was very welcoming. Everyone was very friendly. I was really surprised how upper management, our general manager and even the owner of the business welcomed me into the business and knew me by name.
Been with Summit for just on 3 years now.
For just under 12 months.
9 years.
Over 20 years.
I've been with the company for 37 and a half years.
I think everyone's very proud about working for the business. Everyone knows that what we do for a job makes a big difference.
Summit Homes Group has such a large group of subsidiary companies now. It's fantastic. There's so many people employed, and it's a really family vibe over in our office with all our little subsidiaries all together.
My role is very much about making sure that we recruit the right people, ensure the people are trained and inspired to work with the group and are aligned not only with where we're going as a company, but also to ensure that we're all aligned in terms of our core values.
Behind Summit Homes Group, there are some really great core values.
Work is one. It's definitely something that resonates with me. As I said before, each department that I work with, you know, we all bind together and we create a product that our clients really enjoy and love.
Deliver awesome.
Thinking outside the box.
Love what you do.
Is do the right thing.
The make it happen. I think that's a really empowering statement. And it's actually one we come into the office every day that's up on the wall.
So one thing that makes Summit stand out from any other place to work is the personal and professional development that Summit offers.
I was given a really great opportunity about 2 years ago to move from our new homes division across to modular, where we set up a new division essentially from scratch.
One day I'd really love to become a marketing manager here at Summit Homes Group. I feel that my current manager, Anna, she's really helped bridge the gaps in my knowledge.
My favourite part of working within the Summit Homes Group is coming to work, walking up the stairs. The vibe within the place is fantastic.
You can say an idea or come up with something or give feedback, and you know it's going to be taken on board, we'll listen to.
I love working with people that care about doing a great job, not only for the clients, but in helping one another.
I love the fact that we're a part of a bigger picture.
What you're doing is making a difference. It's also about enjoying the journey with the people around you.
One unique thing working at Summit would be the Summit Boomerangs, which we call the people that come and work for Summit and then one reason or another think that the grass is greener on the other side and leave. But they all seem to keep coming back. So that's probably really telling about the culture here at Summit.
I think my favourite event at Summit Homes Group was our partnership event with the land developers and other business partners.
There's always something going on within the business, so to be part of that and to be part of this culture has been really rewarding.
I would have to say the Christmas parties are always good.
The annual family sundowner here at Summit headquarters. The sundowner is kind of like a mini fair, so at the end the kids get show bags and yeah, we've got bouncy castles, there's food trucks. My kids' favourite was the Cuddly Animal Farm. Got to pat the goats and hold the guinea pigs and yeah, they just had a great time. It's just a great way for Summit as a whole to give back to the people that support us day in, day out when we come to work every day.
We have rewards that happen annually at our Christmas in July event that takes place at 242.
I think the business has got a really good energy and really good drive.
When I started in 2022, there was 250 staff members roughly, and now in 2025, there's over 600.
The opportunity to work in a very exciting industry, an industry that's growing and is very diverse.
So I see my role as an absolute privilege to be able to lead this team and to lead the company through this growth phase.
Got a young family, so things can change and happen from day to day, and being able to have flexibility is super important for me.
You know, I feel very comfortable to walk into any department and ask for help that I need. And
I love my trades and suppliers. I've got a good rapport with those guys, so I know they wouldn't want me to go anywhere else, so I'm here for a long time.
I know we've got a nice building here, but I also think that it's the people inside it that make the difference.
One thing that stands out for me working at Summit Homes Group is definitely the people.
It's good culture.
Working with such a good team.
Would be the people.
Very welcoming.
The collaboration between our teams and our divisions.
It's the culture.
It's people.
I look forward to welcoming you to the Summit family.